I'm Blair from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to show you how to change a handle on a shovel. One thing about repairing a shovel handle is the shovel handles cost as much as an inexpensive shovel. In this case, this shovel has got a welded shaft, and this probably was this guy's grandfather's shovel. So this is worth repairing. This is all solid welded. This is a nice shovel. So to repair it, you got to get the rivets out, then you got to drill out the wood, extract the wood, and put the new handle in. I put the thinnest wheel in my hand grinder when I'm cutting, because the thinner it is, the easier it is, the less material it's removing when you're going through metal. So thin wheels in a hand grinder is best for cutting bolts and stuff off. I just cut the head off, just now I can tap them out. Like a nail set, it's just a pin punch with a straight shaft on it. When you're clamping something like a shovel handle to do this repair on, notice that this shaft is split, and if you viced it up here, you'd be pinching it back against the wood, making it harder to get the wood out. The other trick is, when I go to remove these, I use a large drill bit, and I just drill the daylights out of the wood to weaken the wood, so there's very little wood left, and then it's easy to remove. When I drill my holes near the outside edge of the wood, so I'm removing the surface contact of the wood against the metal. Now I'm going to drill side to side just by using this drill as a reamer. A bit more. I'm going to take a screwdriver, I'm going to expand the metal a little bit. Just like that. So you notice when you buy a replacement shovel handle for your shovel, they come split to bend. The split in the middle so this could bend for a bent shaft to follow this contour. The other thing you have to do is if it goes in too far and bottoms out, you'll have to cut some off the length so when it goes in it fits tight. And you can see there's the rivets we just drilled out, 3/16 in diameter with one head on. Tapped it in, it bottomed out, it's still not fat enough. I'm going to have to cut a little bit off so that I can get more into the broader part of the wood so it fits tight to the shaft of the shovel. Now that I lopped an inch off of this and I put this in here, and one other trick, old school hardware trick, is always put the label facing the top of the shovel. Now you can see the wood is hit tight against the metal handle all the way around. And all we have to do now is drill and install the rivets, and we're good to go. One trick of drilling a rivet from this side to this side without missing and removing the wood, ruining the strength of the wood, is we drill halfway with the small bit first so it meets in the middle. Then we'll drill with the larger drill all the way through to install the rivets. Try to stay in the middle of the hole. Just go halfway. Now we've connected through. Now when we drill with the drill bit for the rivet, rivets 3/16. Follow our 1/8 hole. See how it guided me right through, so I didn't have to take 3 or 4 attempts to make it through the other hole. The front hole is all alone. I can drill him without 2 holes. I just do my best to keep the drill straight. So now we have to trim off the excess rivet so we have enough material to take a hammer and peen it over. See how much material of the rivet I'm leaving? A little less than 1/8 of an inch. This is called a ball peen hammer. I'm going to use this vise as an anvil. If I was at home and didn't have a nice vise like this, I would use a sledgehammer set on the ground. Any large mass of metal on the opposite side of this rivet will allow us to hit this face down and peen it over. There you go. One shovel handle repaired. Not such a quick tip, but a good tip from MrHardware.com.